Okay. Now, let's proceed. Fix your daily routine. Fixing your daily routine. Now, freelancing gives you freedom. Okay. But freedom without discipline is equal to failure. You need to treat your home desk like a real office. Ano bang mga routine na kailangan natin i-improve or baguhin sa life natin to be successful? Kasi nga 'di ba, personal development part to ng course ha. So I'm not really mentioning anything about sa skills kasi nga nasa personal development tayo. So, that is exercise, wake up early, stay hydrated, get rest, make your bed, meditation, go to sleep early, shower, exercise in the morning, spend time with family. All of these routines can really help you become the best version of yourself. I'm not saying na gawin mo lahat at the same time, pero isa-isa lang. Okay? Isa-isa lang if kaya. Now, kung may plano ka man to improve yourself on fitness level, do it seriously. And, syempre, I think at this point you already know, walang kwenta mag-exercise kung hindi rin kakain ng healthy. Okay? All of the fitness coach should already told you this. Always pair exercising with good diet. And, if you want to really know about freelancing, or you want to venture on this journey, give a time seriously into studying. Hindi pwedeng ganito ka lang mag-aral, no? Hindi pwede. Kung gusto mo mag-aral nito, ayusin mo. Take it seriously. Hindi joke lang. Okay, if you treat this as a joke lang, edi joke lang din ang result na darating sa'yo. Okay? Ayan ulit yung mga routines. Read a book, go for a walk, journaling. Ayan.